If you watch this video in its entirety, there is no way you are ever going to stay broke again. And the reason why is because we have something called leverage. And I'm going to go in depth on this because a lot of people, you probably as well, think that you need a bunch of followers, a bunch of viewers, or a bunch of money to actually gain some sort of capital to be able to build a business, etc., etc. That is not the case, especially not nowadays, because I will show you guys exactly how you can make a bunch of money without even needing any of this. And also, I want you to realize something very, very important. If you know how to utilize both social media and AI, there is no way you are ever staying broke again. Okay. And the reason why is because we need to understand that social media and AI has a bunch of leverage, and this is something you can utilize to its fullest potential if you want to make a lot of money online and stay far away from staying broke, right? Now, the reason why is because a bunch of people usually think that followers and views equal a lot of money, but I'm here to actually debunk it and tell you the complete opposite of that. Followers, views sometimes equal a bunch of money, but followers doesn't really like actually equal a bunch of money. And the reason why is because previously, back in the day, the guys with the most followers were usually getting all the views, and that way they would get all the money as well. But nowadays, that's not the case. Because when you have a bunch of followers, what this actually does for you and your brand is you have a big following, but it's usually way too general. Okay. And what I mean by general is that when you are making your content, when you're selling stuff, and when you're talking to your audience, there is no real way to actually talk specifically to the audience you want to talk to because you have such a mass following, right? You are never going to really hit on point with every single viewer you have. When you have a smaller following, you can actually talk directly to the following and the audience that you want. And this is very, very key when it comes to making money online. And I'll explain this in depth in this video, but just realize this, because if you talk about one specific topic, nowadays I would rather have 50,000 followers than 500,000 and then be able to talk to 50,000 people specifically on their pain points so that when I launch something I want to sell, they're already bought in. When you have 500,000 followers, they're not going to be as bought in because some people just follow you for the lifestyle. Some people follow you for something else. They don't really care too much about what you have to sell. They're not as bought in. Probably they don't even care about you as a whole, right? Maybe they just follow you because of a viral video or some shit. So when you have a smaller following, it's way easier to talk directly to that following, which then equals a lot more money, right? So the way I want you to actually realize this and kind of illustrate it for you is that usually less followers equal more money. Here's how I want to illustrate it to you. If you have, let's just say, an Instagram reel that does 500 views, right? By today's standards, that video would be considered a bad performing video, right? Is it really though? That's the question, right? Because think about this. It is not. Or compared to Mr. Beast or somebody else, yeah, sure, maybe it's like not getting as many views, but here's the thing. It has so much potential to make you a bunch of money. And you probably think, what the fuck is this guy talking about? How the hell am I supposed to make a bunch of money out of 500 views? Well, I'm here to explain it to you because listen to this. If you get 500 views, let's just say you post 3 videos, 3 reels a day, 500 views, maybe you get 1,000 views in total on 3 videos, which you think like, what the fuck? 500 views, right? Or 1,000 views, that's nothing. Well, here's the thing. If I put you in a room on stage with 500 individuals like this, you'd be nervous. You'd be scared. You'd be shaken before talking because 500 people is a lot of people. So you have to realize that whenever you have a video with 500 views, that's basically talking to this whole room right here in one video. So if we go deeper into this, if you get 1,000 views, do you really think that, like, look at this guy, he's got a nice little shirt on, right? Do you think that there is not a single individual in here that has a couple $1,000 that they're willing to spend to get from point A to point B if it actually helps them get there? Of course, right? He's got a nice shirt on. He's probably got some money. His wife is probably there as well. This dude as well probably has some money, etc., right? So when you have this realization of like, holy shit, 500 views is actually a complete room of people right here, all you really have to do is talk about a specific topic, create an offer around this topic, and close deals. It's really what it comes down to. And it's so stupidly easy, and it's so stupidly simple. But because people think that 500 views isn't a lot of views, they just don't even bother. And that's crazy to me. It's actually crazy to me because you see a bunch of people with so many followers barely making any money. Dude, it literally just cashed in. It's crazy. But you see so many people with a bunch of views and followers barely make any money because they have no idea how to actually monetize and optimize this. And that is what I'm here to teach you. So when you're, first of all, you have to realize that even if you're getting 500 to 1,500 views, that's still a lot of individuals you can influence and get basically to buy something from you. So what we need to do is we need to jump on and we need to talk about something specific, okay? You're going to talk about something specific, something you're interested in, something you can help out with, something that you care about, something you have a skill set in, whatever it might be. Just make sure you talk about something specific. In my case, I talk about high ticket info, and this is exactly what this is. You can talk about plumbing, you can be a dentist, you can be a fitness guy, whatever it is. Just make sure you actually talk about something specific and stick to talking to something specific. This is essentially what I call high ticket info, because all you really need to do, it's this simple. You're going to make videos about this one topic, something specific that you're super interested in and something you can help with. You're going to talk about it, make videos about this topic, let's just say on Instagram. You're going to create an offer around this said topic, which essentially means you create out a little digital product, a blueprint that you're basically mentoring, helping, coaching, whatever it might be, somebody within this topic, right? Then you're going to nurture that audience by building value and making more videos about this topic, right? Because this is how you build trust, authority, and people actually care about you. You have to realize that people aren't just going to buy from you because they've seen a video of you once. But if you can catch their attention and you have 500 people watching your video, and those 500 see another video and another video and another video and another video, they're going to trust you and they're most likely going to buy something from you. So you want to nurture the audience by adding value and also making more videos for them. Then you're going to jump on sales calls with potential buyers. No, you don't need no crazy funnel. You don't need this, that, or a third. All you really need is to get a direct message from them on Instagram, or just have a link in your YouTube bio where they can book a call, and they are basically a potential buyer, right? Because it's like we talked about, dude. What is the chance if one of these guys right here have a couple $1,000 they're willing to spend? Look, these guys are even putting their hands up, bro. These guys are fucking putting their hands up. They've got money. Like, trust me, bro. Most people have money. The sweet spot is create an offer that is around $3,000. Everybody has $3,000 without like fucking putting themselves in a bad spot, right? Everybody has that. So that's the sweet spot. You make an offer around this topic. It's around $3,000. You jump on sales calls with potential buyers. You close them. You point them into your offer, and you do your side of the fulfillment. You fulfill the service. You make sure they actually get the results you promise. That's all you have to do. It's literally that simple. And then when you realize that all you really need is just like, dude, you need what? 3 people a month you close out of fucking 500 views per video. Let's just say you post one video. Let's do the math real quick, right? Let's say you post one reel every single day that gets 500 views, okay? You times that by 30, that's 15,000 views a month. Again, by today's standards, it would be quote unquote a bad performing video or a bad performing channel, page, whatever, right? 15,000 views a month. Out of those 15,000 views, all you need is close 3 fucking people. 3 people, dude. And you have $9,000 a month. It's insane how people don't realize this and how simply stupid it is. And the reason why I know is because I've done this for myself, and I've done this for thousands, or not thousands, but a lot of other people as well. We've scaled things to over 7 figures, dude. Like the norm is around 300K for the people that I've worked with. And we've had people, we've scaled them 1.2 million, bro. That's a month, by the way. It's insane the opportunity that you have. And this is obviously with people that have a bunch of views. But dude, if you just want to make a little bit of money, bro, you need to close 3 fucking guys and you have $9,000 a month. Fuck, dude, you need to close 2 people and that's fucking life-changing for you. You doubled your monthly salary. I bet you 1,000% that's the case. So it's like when you realize this, it's almost mind-blowing because now you're like, holy shit, it's really that simple. 500 views isn't that bad. There's potential here. All I really need to do is get to fucking work. That's all it comes down to, dude. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to leave a link down below. If you find this interesting and you actually want to get serious one-on-one help from me, just like I'm teaching in these videos, apply down below. We'll see if we're a good fit, and I'll see if I can work with you. If not, no big deal. I'm just going to guide you in the right direction. Otherwise, look at my other videos, see the value, see how easy this is, and you're good to go. Take care.